In this video, we're diving into how to use JungleScout's Sales Estimator, a tool that can give you a serious edge when it comes to Amazon product research. Whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your product strategy, understanding how to use this tool effectively is key to boosting your Amazon business. JungleScout's Sales Estimator is a fantastic way to get accurate sales data based on real-time estimates from the platform. It helps you predict how well a product might perform based on search volume, keyword performance, and historical data. In short, it's your go-to tool for estimating monthly sales volume on Amazon. Now, before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can access this tool completely for free through the first link in the description, and I'm throwing in some exclusive bonuses just for you, so don't miss out. To get started with JungleScout's Sales Estimator, you'll first need to enter the product's ASIN, which is essentially the unique identifier for every product on Amazon. Once you have the ASIN, plug it into the search bar on the JungleScout platform. This is where the magic happens. The Sales Estimator will pull data from millions of Amazon listings to give you a sales range for that specific product, showing how many units are likely sold each month. You can refine your search by selecting product categories or narrowing it down by Amazon marketplaces, which helps you get more accurate estimations for specific regions or niches. This is especially useful if you're expanding into new markets or testing different product variations. But here's the trick. JungleScout's algorithm factors in the product's average price, number of reviews, and sales rank, giving you not just an estimate, but an actionable insight into your product's potential. This is where you can make smarter decisions about what products to source, how to price them, and what marketing strategies to focus on. Now, let's talk about the power of these sales estimates. By using this tool, you can analyze your competition, see what products are trending, what are top sellers, and how much revenue they're making. It's all about getting a competitive edge. And let me tell you, that's exactly what you need if you're looking to launch your own products on Amazon and scale up quickly. JungleScout's Sales Estimator also comes with filters to adjust data based on the number of reviews and sales rank, making it even more specific to your needs. Whether you're looking to target low competition niches or high volume categories, the tool's flexibility makes it simple to adjust to your goals. One of the best features about using the Sales Estimator is the ability to project potential revenue. You'll see an estimated monthly revenue based on sales volume, which allows you to plan your budget and marketing efforts accordingly. This can save you a lot of guesswork and help you determine if a product is worth pursuing. A big mistake people make when using tools like this is relying too heavily on broad estimates without factoring in things like seasonality, product variation, and market trends. So, always be sure to dig deeper into other JungleScout features, such as product tracking and the Keyword Scout tool, to get a complete picture of what's happening with your market. Before I wrap up, don't forget that you can access this tool for free right now, along with exclusive bonuses. Click the first link in the description to get started with your extended free trial of JungleScout today. If you found this guide on how to use JungleScout's Sales Estimator helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tips on how to optimize your Amazon business. And remember, the more data you have, the better decisions you can make.